So I'll be showing you how to change the difficulty level in the practice arena, which basically means the practice difficulty, so you can practice against opponents in different difficulty levels. So what you need to do is first go to the practice arena, and once you're in the practice arena, press the options button on your controller, and that will pop up a menu in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll on that menu until you highlight practice difficulty, and then you can use the direction buttons, which is the left and right buttons, to scroll through different difficulty levels. So you have your beginner level, you have amateur, semi-pro, professional, world class, and legendary. Of course, the more you practice, the better you become, the more difficult your practice should be. Once you select what you want, hit the back button and continue with your practice session. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.